The United States Navy's mission is to organize, train, equip, and maintain combat-ready naval forces capable of winning wars, deterring aggression, and maintaining freedom of the seas. To accomplish the mission, the Navy must have access to military ranges, operating areas, and airspace where it can train. Training provides Navy personnel with the skills and experience they need before going into harm's way. Training includes individual military skills, small units, and advanced integrated events. The ocean off Southern California and around Hawaii is vital to Navy training and has been for decades because of their climate, distinctive conditions, and proximity to major bases. In addition, the Navy conducts research and training in these offshore areas to improve the quality and safety of its weapons, sensors, and other systems. However, the Navy is aware that these training areas are home to a vast array of marine life: whales, dolphins, seals, fish, turtles, and seabirds. Additionally, these waters are heavily used for commerce and for recreation, such as fishing, sailing, surfing, and diving. The Navy is well aware of the wealth of irreplaceable natural resources in both areas and strives to protect those resources. For example, in Southern California, the Navy's captive breeding and release program for the San Clemente loggerhead shrike has increased that species population. As part of its environmental stewardship, the Navy worldwide is committed to reducing its dependence on fossil fuels and developing renewable energy sources. At sea, the Navy recycles waste fuel and prevents overboard dumping of plastic waste and other non-biodegradable waste. The Navy is also dedicated to recycling, waste reduction, and energy conservation to enable ships to operate cleanly, efficiently, and responsibly. Realistic training conducted in actual air and sea environments is the single greatest asset the Navy has in preparing sailors for the duties they are called upon to perform. Training in the Pacific Ocean ensures the readiness of the U.S. Pacific Fleet to deter aggression and maintain freedom of the seas. The San Diego area of Southern California is home to the largest concentration of naval forces anywhere in the world, including more than 80 Navy commands, 65 ships, and many Marine Corps and military aviation units. Naval forces based in Hawaii and vessels transiting the Pacific Ocean use the Hawaii Range Complex because of its capabilities and strategic location. Central to the Hawaii Range is Pearl Harbor, where more than 60 commands, 11 ships, and 17 submarines are based. The transit areas connecting these two range complexes provide ample areas for ships and aircraft to conduct valuable en route training and testing. Navy training includes the use of active sonar and explosives to prepare sailors to counter hostile threats. Active sonar is the most effective method of deterring modern, ultra-quiet diesel-electric submarines and underwater mines, and sonar proficiency demands training in realistic ocean conditions. To minimize the effect of sonar on marine mammals, the Navy works with the National Marine Fisheries Service to develop procedures, tools, and protective measures. They include monitoring for marine species, posting highly trained lookouts, and reducing or stopping sonar transmissions if marine mammals are sighted within certain distances. Every Navy ship and its crew are thoroughly trained to follow these procedures. Because so much remains to be learned, the Navy is a world leader in marine mammal research. This research helps the Navy to better understand marine species distribution and behavior, minimize impacts on the environment, and understand the effects of sound on marine life. The Navy will continue its commitment to the research required to assess, monitor, and mitigate potential effects of sound on marine mammals. Defending freedom and deterring aggression requires rigorous real-world training. The Navy works to minimize the effects of its training and testing on the ocean environment. It's the environment where we work, live, and when necessary, fight to win.